Hi, I'm Leonie and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm talking necklaces, and in particular I'm going to share some of my tips and tricks for layering your necklaces so they look super chic and stylish. So if you'd like to see how I do it, then just keep watching. I love the look of wearing necklaces all layered together, but there are a few simple tricks that you need to know about so that you can layer your necklaces so they look cool and also so that they don't end up in a tangled mess. So I've just recently bought some new chains and some cute new charms from Leonie Rose jewelry. Now this jewelry label has been developed by a Kiwi girl and the jewelry is all handmade in Bali. The thing that I love about this brand, and no, this video isn't sponsored, but the jewelry is all made from 99% recycled silver, and at the end of every collection the pieces that aren't actually sold all get melted down and get made into the new collection, so there's zero waste as well, which I love. So I'll leave a link to Leonie Rose in the description box below and you can go and check them out. For starters, one of the easiest things that you can do, and I think one of the things that looks really cool, is to stagger the length of your necklaces. So graduating the length of those chains will not only stop your chains from tangling up, but it also looks really stylish as well. Graduated styling always looks cool, and what I mean by this is just simply mixing up the weights of the chains that you wear together. So teaming a couple of really fine chains with a thicker, heavier weight chain will really give your staggered stack of necklaces an extra cool look and feel. Charms are really fun, and they're such an easy way to update chains that you already own. I love the fact that charms actually add meaning and add interest, and you can make a statement with your charm. It may be a letter or letters of your children's names, or it could be your name, or in my case I've recently grabbed these cute patron saint charms from Leonie Rose, and they just have loads of meaning, and I also think that they're just super cute. Mixing your metals always looks stylish too. I've recently switched from wearing silver necklaces to gold, but that doesn't mean that I can't team them together. Mixing metals will always look stylish. For a really minimalist look, then maybe just forfeit the charms and just wear graduated length chains and really simple fine chains. You might want to opt for a chain with a little bit of detailing just to add some interest, but if you don't like lots of charms and details, then just think about graduating your chains and leave the charms at home. Also, if you're new to layering, you do need to be a little bit patient. You just have to play around a little bit, experiment with a layered look that you love, and I can guarantee you, you will never go back to wearing a single pendant ever again. And when it comes to figuring out your layered look, maybe do it on a table to make it a little bit easier, and measure up your lengths of your necklaces and try on different charms before you actually put them on. This just makes life so much easier. Also, don't be afraid to mix it up a little bit. So you can wear your layered necklaces with a scarf like I'm wearing here, or a leather choker. So don't be afraid to play around a little bit and add extra elements just to add some interest. Also, when it does come to layering, look for chains that have this extra little loop in them. So these extra loops make it really easy to change the lengths, and they just give you more options in terms of how you can wear your stack. And when it comes to storing your chains, don't store them all together. I find it easier to hang mine on a necklace rack like this, and then they never get tangled. Or otherwise, if you don't have something like this, there is a little trick where you can feed them into straws and clip them up, and then they actually never get tangled. I don't do this because I like to have them at the ready and on a stand so I can put them on really quickly. But whatever you do, don't just throw your fine necklaces and fine chains into a box, because they'll ultimately tangle and then you'll never wear them. Anyway, that's it from me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I would love you to give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel. It means the world to me. And if you have any tips and tricks for accessorizing necklaces, I'd love to hear how you wear them in the comments below. Anyway, I look forward to catching you in the next one. Bye for now.